Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin. Should I invest in some? No, I'm just joking. I don't know anything about that, but I do know how to bake. So today we're going to make $1 million pie. Let's get started. For this recipe you need 1 large tub of Cool Whip, 15 ounces of crushed pineapple drained, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of coconut, half a cup of chopped nuts, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of marshmallows, and 2 graham cracker pie shells. We are basically just going to combine all these ingredients together in a bowl and mix them all up. So obviously there's a couple things that we need to prepare. So the pineapple we need to drain. I used a little strainer in that, and I usually do it over a cup because I like to drink the pineapple juice that's left over. So we'll do that, and then we will chop up our nuts. We are now going to spoon this into the 2 different pie shells. And again, they are graham cracker crusts. You would prefer to get those than regular pie crusts. I tried it with regular pie crusts once and it didn't taste as good. So just spoon this all in there evenly, divide it between the 2, and then refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours until it's set, and then you could eat it. Alright, here's the pie after 1 hour. We'll see how well it's set. Looks pretty delicious. Okay, the pie is all set now. I already licked the spatula, so I know it tastes pretty good. I decided to make the $1 million pie recipe for my 100th video. And at the time of this filming, I have about 100 subscribers. I look forward to the day when I'll have 1 million subscribers. Girl's got a dream, you know. Anyways, I've been having fun filming these videos, so I hope you are enjoying watching them. I appreciate all of you. I'm gonna go enjoy my pie now. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, very pineapple. Delicious. And I'm also wearing one of my shirts that I made on my Redbubble shop. So you can go to Redbubble and look up Jenny Rice and you'll see some of my designs there. You can get to my shop that way if you'd like.